mother fathers, we are a group and we will be discussing inductive sensor.
Sensor is a device that detects and converts input signal from one energy form into electrical domain. So the specific input signals could be heat, moisture, temperature, motion, presence of inductive or capacitive objects. Some type of sensors are temperature, infrared, ultrasonic, and proximity. Temperature sensors are devices that measures the change in temperature. Infrared sensors are light-based sensors that are used in applications like proximity and object detection. Ultrasonic sensors are non-contact type device that measure distance as well as velocity of an object. Proximity sensors are non-contact type sensors that detects the presence or absence of objects. One classification of proximity sensors is inductive sensors. Inductive sensors detect ferrous targets, specifically mild steel, thicker than 1 millimeter.
The inductive sensor has two main parts, the oscillator and an inductive coil. The oscillator energizes the inductive coil to produce a oscillating magnetic field. Once the metal approaches the proximity of the magnetic field, the sensor will sense that the metal is present. So I will show you an example of a metal detector here in our library. Sarado. Sarado.
There are two types of classification of inductive sensors. First classification, we have self-contained type. The sensor can be used as soon as the power is turned on. Sensitivity adjustment not available. Next one is separate amplifier type. Small sensor head. Wiring is required between the sensor head and the amplifier. Longer detecting distance compared with the self-contained type. The last one in first classification is amplifier in cable type. The sensor can be used as soon as the power turned on. Small sensor head and amplifier. Sensitivity adjustment not possible. In second classification, we have shielded type. Shielded type, the side of the sensing coil is covered with metal shielding. This type can be used by being embedded in metal. And of course, we have non-shielding type. Non-shielding type, the side of the sensing coil is not covered with metal shielding. This type offers a longer detecting distance compared with the shielding type, since the sensor is easily affected by surrounding metal objects. Attention is required for the mounting position.
For the application, there are three common applications for inductive proximity sensor, and these are the machine position verification, part position verification, and part feature verification. The machine position verification, the sensor is used to detect the position of a part or the machine itself. A good example for this would be the printer head. The sensor is used to detect if the printer head has traveled the correct distance to provide the accurate printing. So another one would be the part position verification. In this type of inductive proximity sensor, the sensor is used to verify manually or automatically if the loaded part is in the right position before the next operation. So usually itong application na to ginagamit to sa mga factories or something like that, para i-check kung nasa tamang position ba yung gamit or yung part bago ilipat sa sila. Lastly is the part feature verification. The sensor is used to verify a part feature to ensure that the critical operation has occurred in the part. So, ang common example nito, it would be the metal detector sa mga malls and other establishments like airports, condos, and